Welcome to Bike Zone, your ultimate destination for motorcycle insights and legends on two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic bikes in Indian motorcycling history, the Yamaha RX 100. A name that still echoes in the hearts of enthusiasts, decades after its debut. A timeless machine. Launched in 1985, the Yamaha RX 100 quickly became a symbol of speed, style, and simplicity. It was a 98 cubic centimeters, two-stroke engine powerhouse known for its quick pickup, raw performance, and unmistakable exhaust note. With a weight of just around 103 kilograms, it offered an unbeatable power-to-weight ratio for its time. Design that spoke volumes. The RX 100's design was minimalistic but muscular. A flat seat, clean lines, round headlamp, and chrome touches gave it a distinct road presence. Even today, its design is celebrated for being both functional and aesthetically timeless. Performance that defined a generation. This bike wasn't just about looks, it packed serious performance. It could hit 0 to 60 km per hour in just around 7 seconds, a feat unmatched by most bikes in its segment during the 80s and 90s. Riders loved the smooth gear shifts and responsive handling, making it a favorite among street racers and daily commuters alike. Legacy and cult status. Though production stopped in 1996 due to stricter emission norms, the RX 100 lives on through restoration projects, fan clubs, and bike meets. Its spare parts are still in demand, and many consider it a collector's item. For many riders, it was their first love on two wheels, and that love still burns bright. Conclusion: the true icon. The Yamaha RX 100 wasn't just a bike, it was an emotion. A perfect blend of performance, reliability, and charm. At Bike Zone, we salute this legendary machine that continues to inspire and excite, even today. Stay tuned for more stories from the world of motorcycling legends.